everybody, welcome back to DevOps Talks that we're currently undergoing in Sydney. I'm here with Kas, and he's just given an amazing talk on all of the security implications on multi-tenancy. So how are you feeling? How was that?
Yeah, that was good. That was actually the first time in a long time in front of a live audience, so back on the road with the, moving away from the virtual environments, right? So it's a bit of a nerve-wracking talk, but yeah.
Nice. Did it feel good to have real people again?
It definitely felt good.
That's great. Definitely. Did you want to introduce yourself? Tell us a bit more about what you do and who you work for?
Yeah, so I'm a field engineer as part of the APAC field engineering team. Work for a company called Solo. And what we do is we actually focus a lot on application network, right? And what that means is we sort of help customers build their security posture and all of that stuff from an application perspective. So from service to service communication and building all of those things, right, into your modern architectures. So we help with people trying to move away from legacy architectures and people who are sort of digital natives who are doing it, and sort of trying to embed best practices into their architecture. So that's sort of the thing that we work on. Yeah.
Cool. And what were you talking about today?
So my talk was predominantly on multi-tenancy. It's a huge topic that has come up within the last year or so, and we've built a bunch of features in our products around multi-tenancy because that has been a requirement for a lot of our customers, and that's why I thought it was important to talk about it, right? Both from a security perspective and from a sort of a developer experience perspective. So that's why I thought.
In your talk, you spoke about security and the implications that has in a multi-tenant world.
Yeah.
What are some of the security concerns that are unique to multi-tenancy that some of the other people watching this can think about and start trying to think about how they can go about that if they are making this transition?
Yeah, so multi-tenancy is definitely an interesting topic, right? There's lots of security implications, such as service isolation, right? If you're talking service-to-service communication, there has to be some sort of isolation that happens right between those services. And when it comes to multi-tenancy, it could be like teams, right, within your organization, right, that you're talking about. So with those sort of use cases, a lot of the times you have to have those isolations in place, right? But there isn't a cohesive way of doing this in a multi-cluster environment or multi-cloud environment. So we're trying to build those sort of features into our products so that we can enable people to use them. Yeah.
Cool. All right. Well, thank you so much for all of your time today with DevOps Talks. I really appreciate it.
Thank you for having me. Thank you.